Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Sky Garden, located up the 51st floor at Capitaspring, is Singapore's first accessible conservatory deck with 360 views. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, the Sky Garden. Hi guys, today I'm here in 51st floor, Sky Garden at Capitaspring. Look at this guys, it's really beautiful. It's amazing guys, look at this, there's a garden here. Yeah, with 360 views. You can see the city of Singapore there. There is a lot of flowers here guys. This is actually a conservatory deck with 360 views. It's a skyscraper at Capitaspring. Here you can sit down guys if you're tired. Yeah, look at that guys, it's really beautiful. It's a central business district, you can see that. It's amazing. Yeah, look at that guys, it's really beautiful. It's a panoramic view. Rosemary. It's amazing, guys. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful, guys. It's amazing. It's very beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's awesome, guys. It's really awesome, guys. It's beautiful. So you can see a lot of buildings down there as I'm standing here today at 51st floor at Sky Garden in Capitaspring. As you can see, the Marina Bay, guys, is there. It's really beautiful, guys. It's amazing.
How old would they be?
Yeah, look at that, guys. It's the Marina Bay. It's amazing. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's the Marina Bay. It's amazing. It's really beautiful, guys. It's awesome. Yeah, it's very beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's amazing, guys. It's really beautiful. Sky Garden at Capitaspring. It's me, guys. I'm walking here in Sky Garden at Capitaspring. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's so beautiful and amazing. Yeah. It's beautiful, guys. Look at the view. It's actually here is the city. No, it's not the city. Central Business District with a beautiful landscape with 360 views, and you can see, you know, the Marina Bay, the tallest buildings here. It's beautiful, guys. Amazing. It's actually, this is my 4th time attempt and successfully coming up here. Actually, their garden here in Sky Garden, guys, is also, they're planted herbs and flowers. Look at that. There is lemongrass and aloe vera. There is rosemary also.
Ada surveillance tu nampak, ada kamera everywhere. Di sana, oh, nak pucet, aku.
Yeah, look at that, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. That's the bottom, as I am taking here the video of the 51st floor. Yeah, and this is the other side, guys. Look at that. It's amazing and beautiful. It's really amazing down there. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's a panoramic, and you know, the view is really clear. It's a 360 view of the heart of the Singapore and the heart of the city. Yeah. Sky Garden at Capitaspring. Beautiful, guys. I cannot say anything. It's really beautiful and amazing. Yeah, look at that, guys. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day, everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.